Enjoy the view of this 2021 Hyundai Sonata. This well-built, stylish Sonata delivers the best in family sedan comfort. With a spacious, quiet cabin, ample cargo space, a suite of advanced safety features, and connected infotainment on board, you'll look forward to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Bluetooth connection, stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Get the modern style and connectivity you crave together with the space and comfort of a family sedan in this striking Sonata. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.